Hello guys, welcome back to the MySQL playlist. Welcome back to the MySQL series on the Data Boy channel. At this point in our playlist, we are officially moving into the Advanced SQL. And today's topic, we're going to be discussing the Windows function. Yeah, so the Windows function is one of the most powerful tools used in real-world analysis. If you understand this, you're no longer just writing scripts, you're just doing real analytics, and we'll be taking a few of them, some window functions, few essential ones, and we'll work with them, we'll play with them, and you see how they're being used. So far, when we used group by in our it reduced our data into summaries. But sometimes we want to perform calculation without those lines reducing, without losing our individual rows. We'll just perform some calculations on them. That's exactly what window function does. It allows us to reduce those lines. Those are data lines. Those are data into summaries and summarizing it. It allows us to not reduce it without losing those individual rows. We can perform calculations on them. So window functions perform calculations across a set of rows. Do you get? So set of rows, while still keeping each of the row in the result. So unlike group by, which jump packs it together, the window function will show you, although being partitioned, being done on, you will see them as they are without removing them, without losing the amount of rows. Do you get? So first thing first is we'll select everything from our tables, from customers table, and also select everything from others table. So we'll run this. So this is our customers table, and then we'll run our others table. Okay, from our customers table, we have the customer ID and everything that we've seen so far. In our orders table, we have this quantity price, order date. So that's how we see it. Okay. And then first thing first, we want to calculate the row number. I want to show you the row numbers. So first, row number is a window function. Row underscore number. This is how it works. So this is how it works. Do you get? What am I doing? So now, from our orders table, as you can see, can you understand? Do you understand me? We can see that we have the orders table here. So I'll try and calculate the row numbers. Do you get? On this other table while leaving the data as it is. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's how it works. So we'll say selecting our, should I say, select customer ID. Select our customer ID and our order ID. Can you get, do you get me? Then we're now selecting, I want to select the price of goods, and then I want to now order it by the price. Let me select the quantity multiplied by the price. That's the revenue of the goods, of each goods. Revenue of each good, and then order it. Do you get what I'm saying? Order it by that revenue. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's literally how it works. Do you understand me? So we want to select this, calculate it, and order it. Find the row number, and order it so that we can now start counting how many rows we have. Do you get what I'm saying? So row number. So this is how it works. And this over means it performs the operation over what I'm now about to write. So we're partitioning the table by, I want to partition the table by category. Do you understand me? And order by what? Quantity times price. Do you understand me? Order by this. In descending order as well, partition in descending order. Quantity as per. Oh, this is sad. This is sad. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. This. So descending order. Call this as row count. As row count. Okay. So we're selecting this row number over order by. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, we're selecting this, then counting it by this and all of that. Then over partitioning by, calculating it by partitioning by it, partitioning by the category of the good. Then order by the revenue, which is quantity times the price. Okay, I'm reading through this and everything is well. So from order table and boom. Let's see how this works. Okay, this is good. So now this is the row count. Tells you how many. So I partitioned by the category, then ordered by the. Do you understand? Now I need to even show you the category to category so that you will see what I'm saying. Alright, can you see? Now it did not shorten the number of rows. They remain the same. Just that it has partition. So you can see you're having accessories together, clothing together, while being listed, and then footwear together. If it was grouped by now, you might not see them together. You will just see them just as one. Now, partitioned everything. Why the row number counted it while partitioning by. So in accessories, you have 1, 2. Under clothing, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another footwear, you have 1, 2, 3. While remaining like that. Do you get? So it's literally the same thing as selecting this. When you remove this row number, it will return the same thing, just that without the count. So return the same thing without the count. Can you see? Easy. But now since that one was counted, see it was partitioned the same way. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's how it works. So when you do this, when you run this, it will be partitioned. When you run this, it will be partitioned. Can you see? And then counted. Then the row number will work, counting each row in each partition, listing them without grouping them. Do you get what I'm saying? And that was how it. So next we'll go to the next one, which is the rank. Ranking does the same way. Ranking will give rank over it, and then the thing with why it's still counting. So it's like saying, let me come here and say rank. So I want to paste this one here. You get what I'm saying? This is row number. This is the row number. So rank will just rank it So in each category, I wish you can even show the products. I think you can show the products. Let me go and select some others and gain. Okay, the products can show. So sorry, I want to add the product so that you can see it through. But yeah, as you can see, one, two caps, then under clothing, jeans, t-shirt, then under footwear, sneakers, accessories, cap, and all of that. So now let's rank it instead of counting. Okay, we can just override this thing. We can still write, then we can also say comma, then rank it, rank over by ordering the rank, order by what? Revenue, which is quantity times price. I don't want to be doing this revenue every time. So if I also want to, I can put it in a CTE and then generate this one out of it so that I'll just write in revenue. So quantity, or do it like a table. Do it like how do I call it? Like a fake table. Then select from it. It's literally the same thing. Do you get what I'm saying? So quantity by price. I think this is it. So as ranked. Okay, let's go. Okay, now see ranking this 1 1 1 1. Do you know why it's showing 1 1 1 1? This clothing first of all, then accessories sixth. Can you see why it should showed 1 2 3 4 5? Why is showing it? Because it is rank. Rank will skip it if they are tied. It's because they are tied, like in a tie value. But now dense rank, which is the other one, is the one that will give you the original ranking 1 2 3. So we'll just go back to this. Dense rank is the third one. It's called the dense rank. On a tie occasion, it will show you. That's what you just said. Dense rank on a tie occasion, it will show you each of them. Do you get to? It will rank each of them when they are tied. Unlike rank, as you can see, you have clothing 1 1 1, then accessories 2 2 2. Why it showed 1 1 1 on rank was because they had equal number of revenue generated. Can you see 1 1 1 1 6? As you can see, 1 1 1 1 6 7. Now dense rank, now you see 2 there. 1 1. Can you now see 2 on the next on accessories 2, based on they have the same number of. Do you understand me? T-shirts have the same number. They have the same revenue generated with accessories as well. Probably accessories had more quantities, but at the end of the day, after multiplying them, they were equal. But it now showed it 2, then 3, 4, 5. That's how it is. Do you get? But for normal rank, he just ranked it on the die level. 1 1 1 up until accessories 6. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's 6. Showed everything. Then he did not tell you that accessories is number 2. Do you get what I'm saying? Accessories is number 2. Do you get what I'm saying? Why dense rank told you that yes, accessories is number 2. This one just jumped to 6. Dense rank showed you that yes, accessories came out as number 2 after the tie. Number 2, then 3 4 5 4 4 4. Can you see? Double 4, which is the same thing, then 5 5, then eventually 6. Okay, did not show you 6 because it's dense rank. Do you understand me? So that's the difference. So dense rank is similar to rank, but does not skip the numbers. Let me show you. I'm writing. So that's literally the same thing. So then we move on to the next, which is lag and lead. All right. Lag and lead, they show the previous, lag shows the previous row value, then lead shows the next row's value. Do you understand me? So they are literally the same thing. It was just that one is previous and one is the next. They are not the same thing, but they are used the same to especially when you want to calculate other dates. Do you get the date? Do you get what I'm saying? So if you want to calculate the previous revenue by date, let me just show you something. It's okay, I will not show you now. This is what I want to show you. Let's select everything from others. Selecting everything from others. Okay. Then this is the others date, quantity, price, and every. Now, I want to calculate the previous price and the next price. Counting it. I'll show you something. I'll use everything later. Select everything from select products, then price. Okay. Then now lag of price. Can you see this is how to use it then over order by what? By price. Because you're not ordering it so that you can literally show you the previous one as is in order. Do you get previous one? And so order by price as previous price, then lead price over order by price as next price from others. This is how it works. So, previous price, can you see null? Because previous price was not there before. But the next price was 500. Previous price 500, next price 500. Previous price never. Then previous 500. Yeah. Next price 15. Previous price 15. Next price 6,000. And see, that's how it works. Do you get what I'm saying? I'll use it specially in a very good way that you understand. Now, there's what you call the running total. We want to calculate. Let's say we want to calculate the running total without grouping the data. We just want to run through it. It's like from yesterday to today, you add it. From today's on to tomorrow's on, you add it. You get what I'm saying? Now we want to calculate it together and then give you. Do you get what I'm saying? So we want to calculate the running total and then bam, give you. Do you understand me? So then order it and all of that. Do you get me? So let's say running total. So we're selecting let's see, order ID, then price. You get what I'm saying? Now I want to calculate the sum of price over, we're now ordering by what? This is very difficult. Now, since we are calculating the sum of price, what do we want to order by? The order ID. You get so that add all the total IDs that we have been having. So you get what I'm saying? Add it since we are. Do you understand what I'm saying? Calculating the sum of price, then ordering by the price, by the ID rather. Ordering by the ID. From yesterday's price to today's price, and from yesterday, from the previous order ID to the next order ID, we want to calculate the total ID. Now we are not ordering by the price. Why? Because we are not ordering by trade price, because it may be scattered from order ID. Do you get what I'm saying? Not like the previous price. And no, we want to calculate the sum of the price from the previous order ID and all of that. I think this is it, right? Yes. Then as running total. So yeah, running total does not have a syntax, but this is how to do it. So it shows you that we can calculate it over. It's like a window function. You get, so from order stable. Because if we want to order by price, it will order it by the price, but then you will not get the previous. Do you understand what I'm saying? You will not order by the real previous. Do you get previous order? We want to order by the orders. We want to rule it. We want to run it rather. We're running the total from the orders to each orders. We're adding the sum of each orders. These items. So from the first order to the second order, we have now 8.5 to the third order 14.5, that kind of thing. Can you see? Price, then the total is 500. Okay. Then when you add the previous one to the next one, will give you 8.5. Add the next one to this as 14,500 till you get 41,500. Do you get me? So that's literally how it works. It calculates the running total without grouping the data. Now, there are some. By default, Windows function operates over a range of rows, but you can control that range using the what you call between. You get, that's when you now. So let's see, rolling total. That's the difference. Running total is like as it goes on, it goes on. While rolling total is between a specific range. Do you get what I'm saying? Between a specific range. Do you get what I'm saying? So we want to calculate it. Do you understand me? Between a specific range. That's literally how I want to do it. So we say select order ID, then the price, then the sum of the price. Okay. Can also use average for rolling average. Now over order by the order ID, which is like the running total we do. So we say rows between digits, the unbounded, then preceding and current row. So this would make sense if I specify it. I'm coming, I will. Just hold up. I will. Let's run this and see. I see, it rows it between it and the current row. That's actually what it does. Now I want to specify it. That's why, okay, for now it's still running total. For now it's still called running total. Now when it becomes rolling total is now when you specify it. Specify the number of rows you want it to add up to. Do you get? So that's literally what I want to do now. So for this one now, let's now say the average price. Average price. Now rows between two. I want to calculate the average price for just the specific. So for just 3 days. So this is row between two, preceding and current row. Yes, rows between two, preceding. For before it was unbounded. You get, so 2 of the rows, and then the previous one, that's 3. As rolling total, now it becomes rolling total. Or you call it the moving rolling average. So now it becomes running average of the price, everything. So now, but calculate it for just 3 days. Can you see? just particularly just 3 days. Do you get? Oh, sorry. Order by other dates. Yeah, other dates. Happy. How was it in the? I think it's like this. Let me rerun. Okay, order date. Yeah, I'm correct. Order by order date. Yeah, over. Yeah. Yes. Just 3 days. Can you see within 3 days? Just 3 days. That's actually what I want. Order by the just 3 days. Order date. 3 days. Then two lines inside the order date. That's literally what I want. Order date. So in 3 days you have had this rolling average. So literally that is how it works. Do you get what I'm saying? So it's a very wonderful tool. Very, very, these are exceptional tools and everything. So I said I want to do something, this lag and lag. Copy this, copy this, copying this, select everything from others. So I want to delete this. Select product, okay, lag the price, calculate the, okay, I want to lag, okay, this is what I want to do. I'll use the city with, previous day revenue city, revenue, I'll use the city, okay, as, okay, I'll do this. So with this as this, right? Now, I want to select date or order date so that I'll make sure it's a date. Order date. Okay. So selecting this, okay, are you seeing? So as order date, as my order date, I used to so that you see the difference. Now I want to show you the previous day revenue, then the next day revenue. Do you understand? So I'm showing you the previous day. Do you get the previous day revenue, then the next day revenue? Do you understand what I'm saying? So I want to sum total revenue from previous days, sum of quantity and price. So revenue from that throughout that day. Do you get what I'm saying? Then from my others table now, for each day, grouping by it, grouping by the other dates. Okay, is that fair? Now what do? I will now select, I say now is a city, select other dates, gigates, then revenue, then lag of revenue, order by revenue. Okay, lag of revenue, then order by the other dates. Okay, for that particular date. Then also lead by it. Revenue city. Okay. So now let me walk you through this. I created the city, then selected the dates, which as the other day, which is the same thing. I just make sure this date here, made sure that yes, it is a date. Do you get? Now, I summed up all the revenue. Do you get what I'm saying? Together from the up to that particular point. Do you get what I'm saying? Now, this is not the complete revenue. This now select. So I now grouped by the other date, obviously. For each date, I'm grouping by it. Now, I want to calculate the lag, the previous day, return the previous one, previous day, then the next day. There will be a column that returns the previous day, total previous revenue, and then the next day. Why being grouped by the other date? Do you get what I'm saying? Each other date. Do you get? So, from city. So that's another. Okay. So the basket doesn't. Previous day revenue city. Revenue. Okay, revenue. Unknown column, other dates in the other clause where, yeah. Can you see? This one now, why the thing cut short is because we have grouped by the other dates for each day. Can you see first, second, third? Now, the previous one will show you the previous total of the previous day, total revenue of the previous day. Then the other one will show you the total revenue of the next day. So that's literally how it does. So grouping by it, you are summing all the total revenue, then returning the group by and then the previous and the next. So this is like a standard usage of that link and that. So I intentionally did it. So you can now see that everything here is very essential. So I'll give you an assignment to go home and then you find a way to add all these Windows functions you have done today. Add it in a particular query, then run it. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, and see how efficient you are in Windows functions from what you have learned today. So, common mistakes we make is like some common mistakes we make in using Windows functions. Sometimes we forget the over. Sometimes we do not use order by inside the window function, which is very, very bad. So sometimes we confuse group by with some Windows function. Group by, like I said, group by will cut off the row. Why Windows function leave it? And sometimes on that we do not understand partition by. Partition by will list it, will list the rows and partition it. Shows you everything in a particular category. While listing it fully, group by will not list it fully. Just show you once. Partition by will list everything in a partition. Then going to the next partition after listing everything in a particular partition. Goes to the next partition like a category, shows you everything under accessories, under clothing, shows you everything under footwears. So that's how it is. So very important. If you understand this window function, you have officially stepped into Advanced SQL. So that's how it is. So these are widely used. We use them in dashboards, reporting, real world analysis, real world data analysis and everything. So this is where SQL now stop being basic querying like we have been doing, and then it's now becoming real analytics. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have come this far, please like, comment, and share. Do not forget to follow me. Subscribe to my channel. Keep updated, so that I can keep you updated. Do not forget to switch on the notification button so that you can always receive updates from me. Engage in my videos. Anything you do not understand, please tell me. I'll come back and explain. I might even release a video for you to explain. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, guys. So, bam.